Howdy, y'all. This is Mark with Texas Real Food. Hey, have you heard that story about Dusty in Abilene? Well, Dusty found the Our Favorite Recipes Abilene ISD cookbook among his mother's belongings after she passed. His mother, Florice Hudgins, was a cafeteria worker at many Abilene schools throughout the 60s and 70s. When he first posted online about the book in August 2021, it garnered some heavy attention. He's now had the decades-old recipes reprinted, with all proceeds going to charity. Here at Texas Real Food, we love that story, and we like to do something similar as Dusty. We want to share your favorite Texas family recipes among our readers. Are you in? Then send us your favorite Texas family recipe today and write a little bit about what it means to you. Maybe it has been handed down from generation to generation. Maybe there's a secret ingredient you're finally ready to reveal to the world. Shoot us a message on Facebook or Instagram, or drop an email to hello@TexasRealFood.com by February 15th. All entries have a chance to win some cool prizes. Don't delay. Send us your recipe today.